Hi, my name's Ben. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can use counters to demonstrate long division. It's really worth noting that to use counters like this on the board, or indeed for the children to have them on the table, is a really helpful practical tool. It's also worth noting that when dealing with any long division, to write down the first 5 multiples is very useful, and we'll be referring to that later. Okay, here's our question. We have 1976 divided by 13. You can see that I've placed the counters in the place value columns, and again that helps the children really see the value of each counter. Okay, so first of all we'll start with the thousands, as that's the largest column. And how many groups of 13 can we make out of that one counter? The answer is 0. So then we move to the hundreds, and we bring down these counters. So then how many groups of 13 can we make out of these 19 counters? And the answer is 1. And we put it there above the hundreds column. We now need to remove or subtract the 13. 1,300. Which leaves us with 600 remaining. We then move to the tens, which is the next column to the right. And we now have 67 tens, or 670. And then how many groups of 13 can we make from 67? This is where we can refer to our chart, and we can see that 5 groups of 13 is 65. So we can write 5 above the tens, and we can remove those 65. We then look at the ones column, which is the next column to the right, where we have 6 counters, which means that we now have 26. And then how many groups of 13 can we make from 26? Again, a quick check on our reference, and we can see that it's 2 groups. And we remove these, which leaves us with 0 counters left, therefore no remainder. So if we look at our answer, 152, our question is 1976 divided by 13, which equals 152. Again, a really useful tip here is to get the children to use the inverse, to do 13 multiplied by 152. And when they get 1976, that shows they've got the right answer. And that's how you can use counters to demonstrate a long division.